All right, super simple air fried chicken. That's what we'll be doing today. This is a very simple recipe. So I got these chicken thighs here, and I have this Ninja. I don't even know the name of this thing. I'll put a link in the description below. Basically, it's a DualBasket air fryer. You could cook 2 foods at once. You could time them so they all end at the same time. If you want to do like chicken in one, a baked potato in the other, or whatever. But anyways, check my other videos for other food and other stuff. But anyways, so here we got some chicken thighs just from whatever store, and then basically I'm just gonna leave the skin on, of course, because you want that crispy chicken. I'm not gonna use any flour or anything. I'm just gonna throw them on the plate here. I'm gonna throw on just salt and pepper. That is it. Of course, you could throw in whatever spices you want, but I find salt and pepper to be awesome for this super simple recipe. That's why it's called super simple. Obviously, you could throw paprika on there, some onion powder, whatever. And I'm just gonna throw some salt and pepper on. Nothing fancy at all, just some McCormick's pepper and whatever brand salt you got laying around. Probably stuff you already have. Just sprinkle a little bit on there. I'm only gonna put it on one side. That's all I find I need. It's just a little bit on the skin side. And then I'm gonna throw them in the air fryer. And I can fit all 4 pieces in one basket, just like such. And I'm gonna throw it in there, ready to go. Turn the thing on. And I'm gonna set it for about 30 minutes. 390 is the temperature. I'm gonna set the air fryer, the time for 30. Get everything running. And then about 15 minutes in, I'm gonna flip them over. As you can see, they're starting to get crispy already. That's 15 minutes in. I'm gonna flip them over. And then we're gonna go from there, and that's gonna be the last 15 minutes. Just very simple, like I said. Turn them over, blah, blah, blah. And by the way, I have multiple YouTube channels. I have many YouTube channels, and the music in the background is one of my other YouTube channels. You can check out the song if you like it. I'll put a link in the description and the video and wherever else you can see it. Anyways, so let's flip this chicken over and get going here. And voila, super crispy, super juicy, and very good indeed. Now, of course, it's hard to tell how crispy it is in the video, so listen to that. There you go, and you can see all the juices just flowing out of there. Very juicy indeed. All right, that is all for today. Please do subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. I'll be talking to you soon.